Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Honkai Star Rail. So without any further ado, let's get started. Honkai Star Rail is a role-playing gacha video game and has achieved remarkable success in generating revenue due to its captivating gameplay and immersive storyline. So in order to download it, first of all go to Play Store. Now in the search bar type in Honkai Star Rail. Now in order to download this app, tap on the install button. Now after the app has been downloaded, tap on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download Honkai Star Rail. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.